Are you looking for paintless dent repair? For hail damage, door dings, and extreme dent removal? Angelo Dent Removal would like to help. Hi, I'm Tom Eister, the owner of Angelo Dent Removal, and today I'm going to be fixing a small dent here about the size of a quarter using the paintless dent repair process. I'm trying to give you a close-up so you can see the actual dent being worked from the back side of the panel. Each push from special paintless dent repair tools has to be pinpoint accurate and very precise, applying the right amount of pressure. It's very important so you do not crack the paint or leave a high. In leaving a high, you could actually do more damage than the dent itself. I would not recommend a do-it-yourself kit without extensive training in paintless dent repair. If you have damages that was similar to this particular dent here, you're probably looking at about 30 to 45 minutes of repair time. We have a waiting room to accommodate for that. You can think of this as just as simple as getting your oil changed. Another flawless repair like it was never there. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up.